Well, let me just thank you all very much for making this time to do this incredible work. I think the difference between working with the health sector, with health sector professionals, and with legal practitioners is very clearly shown in this reform process. In 2 days, you have reached some concrete conclusions. Of course, if these were my brothers, if these were my brothers and sisters in the legal profession, these 2 days would have been spent on preliminary objections. And this closing ceremony would have declared a mediation session to mend the broken fences. But so I'm really glad that we've seen positive results and that the outcome of this 2 days have been very good indeed. But let me just thank the chair, Senator Ibrahim Yahya Olurege, and members of the Health Finance Committee, the chair, Professor Uche Amazigbo, and members of the Health Workforce, and the chair, Professor Ibrahim Abubakar, and members of the Public Health and Biosecurity, Professor Cyril Osifo, who's chair of the Health, Commodities and Technology and R&D, and members of that committee, Mr. Babatunde Rukera, who is chair of the Leadership, Governance and Institutional Reform Committee, and all members of the committee, and also Dr. Muhammad Sadiq, the chair of the Health Information Systems, and members of the committee, and the young Dr. Sonny Aliyu, chair of the Service Delivery Committee, Primary Care, and members of that committee, and the chair of the Service Delivery, Secondary and Tertiary Care, Dr. Adedamola Dada, and members of that committee. Thank you all very much for the very hard work that you put into this. I think that we've heard from the lead coordinator of this Presidential Health Reform Committee about the next steps. We will, of course, finalize the subcommittee reports for the review of the full committee. I hear that some of the subcommittees still need to do some additional work. So we hope that that will be in the next couple of days so that we can finalize the work for the full committee and then produce a full committee report to guide the drafting of the policy. Well, of course, and I've heard a number of comments already about amendments to existing legislation and possibly a draft reform bill. So all of this work is still left for us to do, and I hope that we'll be able to do so in the next couple of weeks. Hopefully by the end of January, we should have a full report, a draft bill, if necessary. So again, just to say thank you all very much and have safe journeys back home. Thank you.